I wake up early every morning. I run fast in the park. I help my mom in kitchen. I eat chocolate secretly sometimes. I love to play with my toys. I watch cartoons after school. I read a story before bed. I play football with friends. I build houses with blocks. I climb the small tree. I feed my little dog. I jump on my soft bed. I sing a happy song. I forget homework sometimes. I drink milk every night. I fix it with tape. I hear a strange noise. I call my best friend. I break my toy car. I fix it with tape.